Okay, Professor, this video demonstrates the second part of the Lab6 trend prediction. Let me share my screen. And so in my folder, part 2 is the code to run the program. And as I download total case and the new case from the county website from 2020 to 2022. So I need to select 6 months as the I need to select 6 months to be the real data, and select the first another 3 months as the real data, and predict another 3 months to see if the second 3 months to match second 3 months prediction to matching the 6 months real data. And so I separate out into CSV file for the 3 months. So COVID-19 is here. COVID-19 case CSV is the 3 months file, and from the January to June, this one as the 6 months database. So, and then let me check. Let me start over. As checking the code here, I have select the total case and the data as the axis in the plot. Then I recall the data from both CSV file. Then I also identify the simulation factor and the corresponding values. Then I set up the system which includes couple factors to have the equation as one function to plot the prediction. Then I also defines couple function here to compute the COVID-19 case in the next few months. Let's 3 months. And the run simulation function is to get all the data from the two files, and the vectors I list here in the system to compute the case to compute the possible total case in the plot for the second 3 months. So as I set up here, I use the Y label as a total case and the X label as the time, the prediction time. And let me just run the program. Okay, good. This is the plot. So as we can see, the 3 months real data here, it actually list the second 3 months real data, which goes kind of smoothly. But for the 6 month prediction for the first few months, so it basically matching pretty close, but as to another 3 months starting from like what 90 days, and then so it goes up and down, but actually the prediction works pretty good, as we can see in the plot. So I would say this program working pretty good, and I also import all the necessary libraries to run the function. And I see you in the next assignment, next part of the Lab 6 about the light controller.